Yeah, so we are moving right now to the farm, to the piggery. We had to be a little far from where people live so that the tent will not reach the residential area.
Yes, Oma.
Na can help me again from work for her.
Okay.
Na can join her.
Okay.
Na the building this where I don't put her.
Okay.
I think those are passing. Na my picking the little see someone.
Human being also.
My name is Kelly. This is my mother. She's the one. This is a little investment that she's doing. Yes, and that's my cousin.
Because it's little.
And that's my cousin Brandon. So yeah.
So, Mama, this is Mr. Lai. He's a business consultant and also into investment of all types. And that is Senior Vanessa. That's Vanessa. She's marketing, digital marketer. She's also part of all one is part of.
Okay, I could just try for situate we so that we feel know how for move. Yeah, we try for introduce in Cameroon which we call as investment. That's way not common. Where people they put money together.
Yes.
They will find things for put the money there. And we don't start an investment fund. We be specialized for the invest on agricultural initiatives. So now whether we mention this and we'll say if I at least money talk one over see and more come straight can see and first so that if we want to talk with the other members I feel explain that make them understand fine because I don't if I already hear then one talk it could be different. So now why that way will come today. Yeah, but as an investment group, they always want to know plenty things there before they fit take a step. They want to do their due diligence, really understand effectively. So maybe ask a number of questions that we could help me understand more. So now for how long will you do this picking?
For 10 months now.
10 months.
No, but we have been running it down in Bumaka for like 2 years before we moved.
You start keep pick when like your first pick where you start?
I started keep pick around 3 years ago. 3 years ago.
Okay.
3 years ago.
How the business on there?
No, the business fine. A fine business. Now you way I don't see I'm the picking. I tell you today say the business is fine bet. I no get helper and I be woman. Me find some person, me help if he call a brother. Me call the brother for tell you say hi when I be the good as I be the fair work for them if he call on that. You know the thing is when we started keeping the pig down there we had like those 2 TV, you understand me? So we never really kept so many. So when we came up here, since we knew that we had space, my mother assumed that it's the same way that she was going to feed the pig. So she added more pigs, not knowing that the pigs were going to give birth to a lot of children. So when we were expecting like 2, 3, 5 or something like that, but one pig gave birth like 10, 11, 12.
So there were so many of them. So it weighed so much on her. So she could not do it again. Even with the 2 employees that she had, it still was not enough. So, and she cannot be doing this all by herself, and it's all by herself. I'm not like, yeah. So it's her own business.
So, what is the challenge? Is it the workers?
The challenge is she cannot afford to buy pig feed anymore. The pigs are too much. She used to buy pig feed, it would take her like for 3 months because of the pigs that were there. Then now, since the pigs are more, she cannot really buy the pig feed anymore because she has to groom them till they get to a particular level before they sell them.
Basically, the finance.
Yes, the finance is not there.
So, okay. Since we start keeping now, it's don't be the biggest challenge. Which don't ever be your biggest losses.
Another losses. Even as I were the pandemic they come, they never ever home my people.
Always
Sick for pig where they used to water. Another first and they picking they go university now. Only as I be start now for there they pay their fees.
Where you feel say now wait to be responsible where you never face that. You feel say now why will you never get that?
Another now where I don't make I do plenty now why will they pass me now?
I mean sir, you feel say now wait to don't make a way you never get sick.
They are taking their injections in time because you know that pigs they took injection like little babies, they do all of those things. So it's like some other pigs they don't really take care of them like that. And my mother makes sure that every 3 months they have to come and do them.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, the immune system of the pigs is not really that strong. So once they contaminate, majority of them will die. So it's just to give them timely injections.
Yes. And to always clean their environment. That's why she's always here. Even when she has workers, she still comes here to
She lives every day.
Every day. Yes. She's always here.
Even today, she just came.
She just
when
left
I
today
called
and
you.
came.
Every day when I come I go back.
When you look that also, you know, plenty.
The plenty na my door, my own source of living. And I don't say I said
Maybe you can stay for corner.
I don't say I say now they give me money.
So now why you know find house or village?
No, for village, so yeah. My picking the day down there.
But you don't be no, me the
Even the business.
You want to be and for be again.
When they come back and see them.
No, but they are caretakers. They stay just here.
Yes, the caretakers are just here. The
Who
people
always feed and do everything that you say.
It's just that she always comes to make sure, you know, when it's your business, you have to be there
Check
all
every
the
day.
time.
Yes.
You have to
So
always
that
be there
if you
to
did not do and find and enter.
check.
That's how they do.
So now what will be the big vision? What will be the big dream? What will be the plan?
They plan.
Yeah, for the
And
big
they plan this I don't put on now.
because you want move and kaya.
They plan.
So after it to be like a very big
If you don't finish the one for the tea, another one. And because of say, I don't say and say even I do one, new one and go fit. I will say I want 10.
Okay, so for the help, you feel say now what you need and how you feel. What to be idea for the help we need?
My own thing I want to say if he help, I want to say if he's some man he help me who do the business. Me I when you grow up. Yes. And my own thing that
Okay, the way the man fit do na the house so. Like
if he now we do want the big, if he sell them, do want the born now, we put that inside the house, we fix the house, we put the picking then they when they would sell.
No, I just say you don't estimate what you need like
Nah.
the amount or what or like how much if you say the man fit count time on how you never hear what come.
I don't estimate nothing.
You never hear the estimate.
I don't estimate nothing.
Okay. You know how many people can do now? I mean,
That big one are 16. That small one then are 21.
The 21 big ones, mature ones.
They don't buy that picking, they don't buy like from one man buy 2, 3. They don't buy like 20.
Just this week.
They don't buy.
That we can run.
They work for 3 months. The biggest one they don't move up because they be born gig time. They start born for October. 5 October they start born.
So you don't estimate which way you dey spend for like one pig for say till e big. You get any idea for get chop for one pig till e big? You don't keep anything.
Nothing now because the buy feed, they just become mix and give them. I don't even know how much I spend for one.
Then but for the money that you spend, you did take the money for other side, Adam, or you be sure say the one for you keep and different on a high work.
No, now I still work so I still take the money for different side.
Side put am. So you not really know
Oh, yes.
the one way now, one way come out big,
No.
one way come out that
Some
side.
person the one can buy that 2 months for day, but I no be there around. They call me, I no be there. But the person come by and they for remove the 2. Then I say I no be there around. I'm a fear for seller. Then for don't start buy.
Okay, on order for you now.
I don't move and bring that for you because people will complain say play the smell.
Okay.
Now why be bring that up here? And the day for obvious, so no man will complain for me say the smell, the good smell.
No man no dey for corner now. People will need more. You really if you capture the statistics, like the figures. So get to need for family for you capture know the figures then.
The figure for the
Which is the feeding like
no.
it's just you know what they write. Yeah, but you don't get like anything where you write like the one way come out for or this.
Where they come out for here?
Now your sales, you get on side you keep how much you sell and
Yes, the one where I sell for here, not this.
I mean like you get the figures then like for the 3 years we talk.
Yes.
Okay. Then the thing they buy them,
Yes.
you the right and so. Yeah, because the biggest issue with people never fear for investment, sick. It's so fragile. Sick people sick. It's so lost all things so
And so we people they lost
in no time. So now it make people they ever fear plenty. So when I invest, they always want to know if that sick enter so how now which backup plan they.
my own backup plan where they do am now. This dirty clothes. When they ask, I come for yes, so I the burn them. I the burn the dirty clothes. I the find go right for black go find a kuchambanga. Burn them. I said this.
Chamaga is wash bangana. So
I
it
can't
prevents them from not getting the
Yes.
sickness.
I the give
So
them.
a lot of people don't know.
Now why
So in my mother's village, we have pigs a lot. So that's why she knows a lot about pigs.
I see put that in so sick person and know the food.
That one thing that they do for make a man no can.
When I shoot them for that, so I will find I can't go now. They drive the sick.
Nothing too many.
I don't work for the three. The whole people them never touch me. The sick. I'm educated.
But you know ever there is on one star sick.
No, never person.
We have cases that maybe the pig did not go to a standard, right? Yes, like there are sometimes that they call a pig and say, don't want to be killed as well.
The species not be there fine.
Yes, there's a particular species that does not grow.
Yes,
Come over. So we remove them.
The one day where in 8 months. 8 months pigs on this.
Keep that big one there.
Yes, 8 months is here.
So 100% of your chop you buy in the buy.
Yes, I buy. I go back with money. The customer, when you finish, I just call you and put that inside motor send them.
So you just now you chop for 1 week or 2 weeks, you spend how much?
I used to buy 50 back. That 50 back, I use them for around 3 or 4 months.
One bag na lema.
7.5 for $1.
I'm the one who used to always go and buy it. So normally in Boya it's expensive. So I met somebody in Douala that was in contact with the person. So the first one I used to keep in Bumaka, we used to buy the pig feed here in Boya. So I was working in Douala just recently before I relocated back to Boya. So I discussed with somebody and the person gave me just me 7,500 for 7,500 plus the transportation to come inside. So 1,000 for each bag. So yeah. So when I normally buy 50 back every time. It's just that the recent one that we bought is 20 back because we could not really
For this, for a quantity like this one, 50 bag makes like 4 months.
Yeah. So that I bought 2 times. 50 back. Then now 20 back now we just bought recently. Came day before yesterday. That's 2 times.
So you're talking all this 50 and 20 is 8 months.
Yes.
Then the people there, where they work, you pay them. You get 2
You pay them 35 times
every month for one.
The 2 people are the pay them.
How will they work?
You can't clean the house. Give them feed. All the water.
From morning time to evening, or they just come morning go.
Morning and evening.
Even a whole episode.
The other one is the one also.
No, but the way they deliver pig like human beings. People have to be there to cash it. Yes, cut the I don't know how they call it. Yes, then they remove and keep. So yeah, so that was like a whole process.
Yeah, they start delivering at night is an issue.
Yeah, so I'm sure that she's waiting because she's thinking that maybe that one can give birth at any time today or tomorrow.
She's already sleeping on the floor. I'm sure she's already level anytime soon.
So, but if they start giving birth at night, what's happen?
And she'll stay now.
How you know?
Now, therefore, you know, say God born now. I remember.
You beat the born.
One picking come out, take out.
Wonderful.
I buy it away. This is us.
That's an old midwife.
Is that That's not what I'm talking. Just open one.
Old midwife.
I thought thought they would just be sending it out like that, then
No, it
nothing
doesn't work like
happened.
that. The mommy she tired, it's sleep on top, kill her. Any move am, so you know say the worry if you go sleep on top, as you no move am, you go sleep on top.
Wow. Interesting.
Don't get the idea of the thing. We'll go give report for other investors. We'll see how we put the figures and try for understanding. But when I say we never invest or pick it before, so we get to learn.
Money there for the pick.
We get to learn and small.
For bring the asadi one day so. You can spend money. You want get the money too.
Because the last one that they came and asked us to buy, that too, they wanted to buy one for 400K. It's just that we don't know how to sell it. So the person now went and bought it somewhere. And her phone also got bad. There was no way to call her if we should take the money or not because she was bargaining for 500K.
For that size I'm seeing that.
That man there too.
I've seen the man there for himself.
Even they spend.
They buy like that, but to go and keep or to sell.
For business, for married, die.
500K.
Yes, people buy.
And you like 300 highest.
No, they buy. Hey,
You buy on size. This
Those are the biggest sizes were like 300.
No.
That was years back.
You say Pascal.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is expensive, especially because
I go for a village, you give 20 pounds in one swan.
you know, big.
One day must do big so.
Wonderful.
What you see for the business is fine. And because if you want get money for the asadi one day so, you get money so say even they sell them at 200,000 for the pick. That's 16. I must get 4 million. Yes. And I say, I be woman. I don't say and say they wait. And I don't owe me. They people they still go to school.
Yeah, but when you talking at the year 2 thing, at the year 1, say money. At the year 2,
money. No, my problem not be money. Oh.
You're putting just partner.
Yes, partner. So that I won't make the business make big plenty. No, for money, I get the money for rest the thing.
Okay.
Yes. The money for raise the business that they think they plenty for me. Me one, I want a partnership so that I'm gonna make a plenty.
She doesn't just want to just leave the thing.
I was about asking.
I do buy them everything where I want to do for the house. I already do them. Now get them that way. I already put them. I get to put them for the door. My main aim now for one person who make the business me big plenty.
To be a big renowned business.
Yes.
Yeah. The one client now I feel say more than a week's plan. Weeks not something we were business in Africa with the early thinker. When I want to do business, first thing I read. For one, signal vacant at 2014. No money pay for. Then I say no ever can. But when they want to see the plan for one plan from do all the things you do say no ever can. The number yes.
Now one way I can
one
be
plan.
Me one.
Yes.
Yes.
We be
environment where
be out of others.
Yes. Now one way even for Bomaka and say those time
the number 2 planner where I try to see. So when my people say each time it's a pick, maybe there's 15,000 or 20,000. That one I need to touch. That block us account. This time is you know their money. If you're saying the money for backup, if you always come in for anything, you need to touch that one. Anyway, okay. Now, but for the laborers, because coming into the way we help for the business organization structure and may run like a real business, the people supervise. But another level the people in the field, the way you see the business, if they put people on the ground, they could feel look at them. Or person must they come as well the council. So they feel look at them when you know come as well the council.
Well, they feel look at them when you know they, but when it's done, you must can't check it.
Yes.
You be 2 days, 3 days, you can't look at
Can't
her
check.
whether it will work fine. Yes, now why they come? Like tomorrow, they will get there for down day. I'm more wrong come because person know the way they look at them. I must come for morning time, can't give them job. I go me. I want to go. I'm gonna use my boy for you. So every time he chop for them, calm me down. That's what they do. You need to live and you live and for your business, mommy. You need to can't check. I know people do and for the way we like them. Yes.
So when you come, we don't do them, it don't go.
I must
When you
open.
look,
Yes. I open.
how will you know say no do them?
I go look at them. They no clean the house fine.
Okay, you know that can clean it.
Yes. You know, because we used to when water they would wash the floor. With the
That's
pour
how
water
we do
will
back then.
flash and so take broom, wash and wash. I get brush for day, brush the floor. So that even that sick, like that sick, if the place they dirty, where there is here some kind of thing.
You water where you dey bring her all times, so you know there
One job na 100.
every
But I
day.
get
You,
keke.
where you carry and so it is still I don't know.
I get keke.
Okay.
Na keke, my keke they bring am.
When they bring her one time, so they drink and I don't know.
No, they fit bring 30 liters.
How long
That-
does it stay?
The water.
Yeah, they will bring one time, so they
Lady
do
one so go stay like 1 week.
okay, like 1 week.
Yes. The ones I don't get buy that 1,000 liters. They from Moliko.
Okay.
I want buy na that rope.
That's your.
That too. Yes. When I buy that motor,
That motor water they
that,
just fill am one time.
I put am up the center right down here. The
Yeah,
rope.
can't feel that.
You just send the water inside.
This area so for us need to come out.
The road dig am for that. Half a day down here. That
Don't
box.
deep for us, you know come out.
Place so about some 10 places you can come. They also the road rebuy half a day
Yeah.
down there.
Yeah, I just see.
Yeah, the road rebuy go so also the road buy.
Then how for security like tea or that kind of thing?
You know,
They no fit thief around here. This never happen around the village.
I never see am.
Okay.
Sunday way that whole way day for day. Someone they come out so they walk go to they catch and hide so they can't come.
Wow.
You know see am.
Yeah,
Okay.
Asha. You feel like getting malaria today,
So
wow, Ajabo.
people don't hear. We'll go process. The thing